and I'm a coach before in Tunisian team,
Mm.
um, and maybe I have a 20 years as a coach from Egypt,
Yes.
and I have a many gold medal in World Championship.
How many?
In gold medal, maybe 8 gold medal in World Championship,
You have
WKF.
eight. You have 8 gold medals in World Championship.
Yes,
Ah,
thank you very
you're
much.
a big man, man. You should give that experience
We
to.
see it African, we
Yes.
change it, and we have now Morocco is very good in a karate world,
Hmm.
and Algeria and Tunisian.
Yes.
Tunisia have a world champion.
Yes.
Many countries now, Africa, and sometimes Africa is number one in the world. Have a Algerian, Egyptian, Morocco,
Mm.
Senegal, Tunisia,
Mm.
many country have a people world championship
Mm.
WKF.
Thank you, and I welcome you again back in Rwanda to come and
I
see.
hope, and
Yes, inshallah.
I want to tell you something.
Uh-huh.
Thank you very much for this good champion Africa
Mm.
and this good prepare
Mm.
and this beautiful country
Mm.
and I
Mm.
don't know what can I do tell you, but when coming in Rwanda, imagine.
Mm.
It's amazing. It's very nice country, and thank you
Mm.
very much. Have a
Mm.
28
Mm.
country from Africa in this championship is not can be for.
Mm. By the way, do you know that people back in Egypt can watch the championship via Azam TV application? Did you know that?
You wanna come here?
I'm saying people in Egypt now who they can watch this championship live here
If you give
via
me if
yeah the
give me application and I
application.
take my Facebook and
I'm going to
have
give you
5,000.
an engineer here, a technician is going to help you put that application in your or on your phone, and then you
Okay,
tell people back in Egypt to watch the championship here.
for me I watch.
Yeah, you are here, but here it is. You see,
Okay,
you download it and
Azam TV.
yes, download
His
it.
like Arabic
Yes,
name is Azam.
yeah,
Is
Azam.
the Arabic name,
Mashallah.
and I give this channel.
Uh,
Okay,
yes,
and I take this logo on my Facebook.
yes. Ah.
Okay,
Mm.
and maybe 20,000
Yeah.
say it
Yes.
for my Facebook.
They already have it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can tell people back in Egypt to download it and install it in their phones, and they can watch the Egyptian team here playing. You know.
Download Azam
Yeah, some
TV.
app.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm trust for him for a work. He's good people and
Yes.
have a good country.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And
And I hope
welcome
come
back
back.
again to Rwanda.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Us-
Thank you very much for your
Us in
time.
this is like Assalamu alaikum
What?
in
Yes.
karate. Us
Yes.
like that. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
Assalamu alaikum wa
وعليكم
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته and us.
Yes. Thank you very much,
Thank
Mr.
you very much.
Coach.
Okay. Thank you.
Rero n'umutoza wa Egypte cyangwa se Misiri watubwiraga ati rwose igihugu cy'u Rwanda muri aba mbere amarushanwa mwayakoze neza, mwayatunganyije neza rwose, muri aba mbere mukaba n'aba kabiri n'aba gatatu, ati rwose turabishimira cyane, ati icyo nabonye nuko iyi shampiyona d'Afrique ya karate iri ku rwego rwiza cyane, ati abakinnyi barimo bari ku rwego rushimishije cyane, ati genda umutoza yatwaye imidari igera ku 8 ku rwego rw'isi mikino itandukanye, ati nababwira ko rwose mufite icyo nababwira nuko aya marushanwa arimo abakinnyi bakomeye kandi ni meza pe, ati ni ibintu byiza byo gushimirwa. Bien sûr que oui, yasoje avuga ati u Rwanda ni igihugu cyiza, ati kandi rwose Imana nibishaka insha Allah nzagaruka nongere nsure iki gihugu. Ngo rero akaba ari umutoza wa Misiri, umwe mu batoza ba Misiri. Aya. baracyagenda bakubitana ibigingi hano buhoro buhoro, bakubitana ibigingi buhoro buhoro. Ubutsa ko turi aha ni kuri Intare Conference Arena i Kigali, niho harimo habera aya marushanwa. Benshi bakaba bavuze mu by'ukuri uburyo aya marushanwa yateguwe ubwabyo ntako bisa bwa mbere. Cisse Abdullah ku manota 7 akeneye inota rimwe, nawe akaba abonye icyo bita technical knockout. Mugenzi utari wabona inota na rimwe, Cisse Abdullah wo muri Senegal akeneye inota rimwe gusa. Tayari amanota ye akaba yabonye 8, akaba atsinze mugenzi we ku cyo bita technical knockout. Atozwa n'umutoza ukomeye cyane, umutoza ukomeye cyane usanzwe yose ana witwa Fodendao, utoza mu gihugu cy'Ubufaransa, akaba anatoza ikipe y'igihugu ya Senegal. Aramutikuye rero, akaba amutsinze kuri icyo bita technical knockout. Genda mugira inama y'uburyo agomba kubyitwaramo.